Cybertruck final design update by Elon Musk. We've all grown used to the way this billionaire deals with sharing important information, so is anyone surprised that Elon Musk is offering a Tesla Cybertruck design update in response to a group of Tesla owners making a comment on social media? Not really, so let's take it at face value and try to make the best of it. Welcome to the Hypercar Global YouTube channel, the home of electric vehicles and Tesla news. Elon Musk, the early investor, CEO and product guru of Tesla, has taken once more to social media to provide a brief update on the way things are going for the infamous all-electric light-duty Cybertruck. Unfortunately, there are no photos attached to it. While the company has taken the world by storm these early days of 2021 with the controversial update of the Model S, we're, of course, referring to the yoke-like steering wheel. The Cybertruck remains one of the most hotly anticipated novelties from the California-based company. Musk was apparently on Twitter, when is he not? When he noticed an interesting comment made by the Tesla owners of Silicon Valley Group that claimed the Cybertruck will become the #1 selling truck in America. Instead of taking the bold affirmation head-on, the Tesla CEO then provided an update on the truck by saying the final design is looking okay, and he also mentioned that he recently saw the product as he was just in the studio. We can easily understand why Musk would refrain from any affirmation regarding the Cybertruck's projected sales performance. No one can deny it's going to be an interesting model, and many will buy it either for the features or for the sheer wow factor brought by the controversial design. But, frankly, it's rather early even to think that Tesla's truck would ever beat the long-running Ford F-Series. Besides, the Cybertruck's arrival isn't going to find a barren market that's ready and ripe for hitting its maximum potential. Instead, Tesla's first-ever light-duty all-electric truck is going to face stiff competition from both ends of the market as startups and legacy automakers alike are getting ready with their own contenders. We could easily note the upcoming Rivian R1T, which could have the honor of being the first to arrive on the US market come June, the Lordstown Endurance, or the Atlas XT when discussing the little companies vying for major impact. Then, let's not forget that GMC's Hummer EV is dropping this fall, while the Blue Oval itself is preparing the F-150 BEV to come in mid-2022. Why Tesla's charging stations are a key advantage for its future. Minneapolis-based venture capital firm Loop Ventures sees charging infrastructure as being a key advantage for Tesla and to maintain its dominant position, now and in the future. What happened? US President Joe Biden is pushing to add more than 500,000 charging stations over the next 4 years. Many investors believe this will favor traditional automakers, but Loop says that's not necessarily the case. We see it as a positive for both, given EV adoption is still nascent at about 2% of new vehicle sales in the US, and building out charging infrastructure should aid broader adoption for all automakers, Loop Ventures said in a note. Gene Munster and David Stockman from Loop Ventures lay out the case for Tesla's charging stations being a key advantage. Why it's important. Non-Tesla EVs rely on third-party charging stations that are inferior in quality and availability, according to Loop Ventures. While the price and quality value proposition of their vehicles is the main reason for this success, we believe their charging network is another, Loop Ventures said. Tesla has more charging stations available than its EV rivals. There are more than 4,900 high-speed charging stations, combining Tesla and third-party locations, available to Tesla customers in the US, compared to over 3,900 for just non-Tesla customers. With an adapter, Tesla EVs can charge at non-Tesla locations. The same cannot be said about Tesla charging stations, as they are exclusive to those EVs. This means Tesla does not have to work with other companies to decide where to build stations, said Loop Ventures. This allows them to be more efficient, strategically deploying chargers where consumers need them, Loop Ventures said in the report. We believe Tesla's vertically integrated, proprietary charging network will continue to be an advantage for the company for the foreseeable future. Loop Ventures pointed to the fact that Tesla offered to license patents to create an open standard for charging EVs in 2014, but no automotive companies took up the offer. Tesla launches Giga Berlin hiring spree with 28 new job postings in 3 days. Tesla is preparing for Giga Berlin's first operational period in what is expected to be July 2021 by posting several new employment opportunities at the electric automaker's initial European vehicle production facility. In the past 3 days, Tesla has listed 28 new job postings in a wide range of categories. From human resources to construction and facilities to engineering and information technology and beyond, Tesla is gearing up for the final touches on the construction processes and the initial portions of vehicle manufacturing at the site. Past reports from Germany have indicated that Tesla will hire around 7,000 employees ahead of the manufacturing phase's initial runout. The automaker has already hired some of those 7,000, with many being placed as warehouse employees as of November 2020. Additional jobs have likely been fulfilled since then, but which positions Tesla has hired so far remain unknown. Some of the new jobs involve training new employees, a human resources position, others have to do with CAD design, others have to do with manufacturing. However, with the first date of production quickly approaching, there is no secret that Tesla is looking to fill these positions in an efficient manner. July 2021 has been listed as the month when production and deliveries of the Model Y could begin. One of the more notable additions to Tesla's career page relating to jobs in Grunheide is a manufacturing engineer who will assist in press/stamping lines. Tesla has used stamping methods for some of its vehicle parts, including the Model Y body and the Model 3 frunk. Additionally, the Giga press has been one of the automaker's true claims to fame in terms of manufacturing. The Giga press has been effective for creating single-piece rear castings for the Model Y crossover. The Model Y will be the first car built at the Giga Berlin facility. Tesla utilizes the Giga press at its Fremont factory in Northern California and recently shared a video of the massive machine in action. The Giga press's purpose is to eliminate the number of parts that make up a casting, making manufacturing more efficient and less time-consuming. It also can improve the durability and rigidity of the vehicle's structure in the event of an accident. Giga Berlin could be Tesla's golden goose in terms of breaking through a highly competitive European EV market. While Tesla performed well in the German EV market in February, displacing Volkswagen from dominating the podium, the automaker has not performed well collectively in the European sector. According to the EV sales blog, no Tesla vehicles managed to crack the top 20 in sales in January 2021, but Giga Berlin will likely change Tesla's mediocre performance. Elon Musk says Tesla would be shut down if its cars were used for spying in China. China reportedly has banned government employees from driving Teslas over security concerns. Elon Musk said Saturday if Tesla vehicles were used to spy in China, the company would be shut down, Reuters reported. Musk made the remark while speaking via video linked to the China Development Forum, addressing reports that China has barred its military and government personnel from using Tesla vehicles over security concerns. There's a very strong incentive for us to be very confidential with any information, Musk told the forum. If Tesla used cars to spy in China or anywhere, we will get shut down. The Wall Street Journal reported Friday that people who work for China's military, government agencies and state-owned enterprises in sensitive industries were prohibited from driving Teslas. China is concerned that Tesla's exterior cameras, which constantly record footage, could be used to gather images to be sent back to the US, according to the journal. China is a huge market for Tesla and for electric vehicles. According to Reuters, the carmaker sold 147,445 vehicles in the country last year, which accounted for 30% of its global total. As Bloomberg notes, Tesla and its leader have taken a different tone with Chinese authorities than with their US counterparts. For example, last month Tesla apologized that one of its staff had blamed China's electrical grid for damaging a customer's vehicle. "We are deeply sorry for the misunderstanding and would like to apologize to the Nanchang power grid for the inconvenience caused," Tesla said in a video. Musk and Tesla have been more aggressive in their responses to US authorities. The CEO once hung up on a call with the chairman of the National Transportation Safety Board, and last year he butted heads with authorities in Alameda County, California, where Tesla's Fremont plant is located, over coronavirus restrictions.